I used to be there where I didn't like doing class presentations. I didn't like raising my hands. I didn't like going up to a girl. I didn't like doing class projects. And I'm here to tell you that you are not alone. I used to be that person that my heart would start racing. I would start sweating. I used to be that person that was socially awkward. And what I have learned is that we care too much about what people think. We're thinking that what are that group of what is that group of people going to think? What is that person going to think? What is my crush going to think? What is he, she, do, going to think? And the real thing is that no one really cares. We care, but no one really cares. They might care in the moment, but when they're about to go to sleep, that's not the thing that's going to be on their mind. When they're going shopping, that's not the thing that's going to be on their mind. And I started doing these couple of things, and they helped me to stop being socially awkward, and they stopped my social anxiety. I'm not gonna lie, I still sometimes have social anxiety when I go out, but it's not as bad. It's not as bad as how I used to have it. But these are going to feel weird when you just start. Trust me, they're going to feel weird, but they do work. And these are the things. Start saying good morning to strangers. Start saying good evening to strangers. Just start saying good morning, good evening. It's going to feel weird. It's going to feel weird, but it does work. The next level is to ask them, how are you? I mean complete strangers. I'm not talking about people that you're comfortable with. Complete strangers. People that you haven't ever seen before. Good morning. Good evening. How are you? The next level. Start asking what is the time. Yo, what's the time? What's the time, bro? They're going to feel weird even if you have your phone on you or you have on a watch. You have on a watch. Still ask, what's the time, bro? What's the time? It's going to feel weird when you just start. But they help. You need to stop avoiding communicating or socializing with people, because these are the things that allows us to have social anxiety. Corona was crazy. I'm talking about after. After Corona happened and I stepped foot out of my house, bro, I was weird. I was weird. I was a weird person. And these are the things that helped me. Go up to at least 10 girls. 10 girls. And ask them out. Ask them out or ask for the number, ask for something. Have a conversation. This is the hardest thing. This is the hardest thing. But you need to start socializing. That's the way you break down having social anxiety, because social anxiety is a fear of talking or socializing with people. And the reason why when you raise your hand in class, you're afraid to say whatever, or you're afraid to raise your hand in class, is because you care about what people are going to think. You're in your head like, is what I'm going to... You're in your head like, what I'm going to say, it sounds stupid. it sounds stupid. When it really isn't stupid. It could be the question that everyone else in the class has in their mind as well. But you have this feeling that it sounds stupid. And social anxiety happens because it's a fear. You're having a fear, and fear is trying to keep you from doing bad things. The brain thinks that whatever you're about to do is bad, so it's trying to give you the fear of not doing it, so you don't do it. But brave is having the fear and doing it anyway. Practice the things that I just told you, and trust me, you'll be on the way. You'll be on the way. Try that for like 4 or 5 months. Start saying good morning, start saying good evening. When you're tired of that, start asking for the time. Even if you have your phone, even if you have the time, just ask for the time. Start asking how are you, and then go up to whoever you have a crush on, or go up to 10 stranger girls, and ask for their number. Have a conversation. If you're a girl, honestly, I don't think a girl needs to go up to anyone. Honestly, the reason why I say that is because men are going to come to you, so it doesn't make sense you going to anyone. So if you're a girl, stay by yourself. People will come up to you, but you can say good morning or good evening or how are you. It really helps, trust me. Everyone that has been helping me to reach my 10K goal, I really appreciate you. It's really appreciated. Everyone that likes, everyone that comments, everyone that is thanking me for the advice, I really appreciate you, and you are welcome. Subscribe, it really helps if you're new, to join the community, to join the clan, and I'm out. I'm out.